got a couple of big outside projects now with the septic and the grading that will need, the well, and also a really, really long driveway. So we just finished up a couple of really big projects that have actually been going on for a long time. We think about the septic and the driveway. So starting with the septic, it really turned out wonderfully as you had kind of described it, where you were able to take advantage of the land, you were able to get the septic so it just kind of gently sloped off, and you've actually got some more grading you still want to do on that, don't you?
Yeah, we had that huge pile of dirt that was up in front of the property, and I was trying to get rid of it, and it was the perfect way to hide the septic system, because we just kind of molded the land down to the septic and then off to the sides, just so you wouldn't have to get into it. But there's still more I want to put in there, so I might even bring some fill in to do a little bit better job, but I'm real happy with the way it turned out right now.
So there's still more that you...
There's always something more.
The other thing that was a project that you've been really working on for a long time is the driveway. You wanted to make sure the driveway was flat. You wanted to make sure that it didn't have a sharp angle, so you turned the garage. And that driveway is long. How long would you say it is?
It's got to be 300 plus feet long.
It's a big driveway.
Yeah, most common driveways in typical neighborhoods are 45 feet long. This one you could put a long entourage of cars coming down that driveway because it's 300. Plus it's a 4-car garage, so you've got all the parking in the front. The biggest issue is getting I want a flat driveway so kids can play basketball and things don't roll off and you don't slip and fall if it's slippery here in Minnesota. But you want to make sure the drainage is right to get it away from the house, to get it away from the garage, to get it away from the septic. So when you get something that's that long, it takes a lot of thought and a lot of preparation and a lot of fine tuning even when you're doing it.
All the way through to the end.
All the way to the end. I'm still not done.
Well, it turned out really, really nice. Thanks so much for checking out this video. We sincerely appreciate it, all the likes and shares. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single thing as we're finishing off this gorgeous house. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Have a great day.